Okay guys, we're almost home. The keyboard got delivered. This is my first keyboard ever. I'm really excited. So yeah, let's get in the house and unbox this guy. Okay, here we are. We're unboxing the KeyChron. Alright. Ooh. Okay. You can see the like the different colors that they have on there. Actual keyboards right there. Let's see what this says. 75% layout, wipe configuration, the polling rate, right, the stabilizers, and it's got 22 plus light effects and the sound absorbing foam. I'm gonna take this off now. Oh, come on now. Bye-bye. This just, yeah, it does slides out this way. Bro, I'm not even gonna lie. This unboxing experience is not half bad. This is not bad at all. Oh, bro. Okay, can we just talk about this box real quick? Because that's clean. KeyChron right there. Think I'm ready for this. Let's go. Okay, just do it, bro. It's got that Apple kind of thing right there. Okay, that's the inside of the box. Behind the foam. Man, this is like some Russian nesting dolls right now. Behind the warranty, man, quick start guide. We don't need that. There we go. KeyChron V1 Max. Okay, let's take this box out first, actually. Okay, got a little black box here. Oh, okay, so we got the little tool to like take the keycaps off. I feel like it's always the brands that like sell their items for cheap. They give you like the most accessories and stuff. It's kind of cool. What else is in here? Let's see. Oh, snap. We got a KeyChron braided USB-C to USB-C cable. That's really freaking nice. Holy. Okay, let's set that right there. Oh, yo, we got extra keycaps. Let's go. That's sick. Now is the moment that we have all been waiting for. The actual keyboard itself. Okay. Bro. Hold up. That's crazy. Hold up. Dude, no way. Hold up. It sounds so good. That sounds insanely good. And then we have a little turn. Okay, so the knob clicks and it turns online. They don't really show the RGB lighting that much, but that looks really good. That's insane. Thumbs up. That's crazy. Okay, now we have to get everything set up. So I'm gonna boot up my MacBook Air. We're gonna get this nice keyboard hooked up to it and this here mouse. Bro, this thing was cheap, but it's good for some reason. Like, we got this right here. That was kind of weird. I expected it to connect. It doesn't have batteries. Bro, I'm having to reach so far. Like, this is why I got the keyboard, so I wouldn't have to reach that far. I should be able to just go YouTube. I should also learn proper typing etiquette now that I have a proper keyboard. Oh, somebody commented on my video. Well done, rooting for this channel. Thanks so much. You'll be in my next video. Man. Shout out to @SamOracle Chinese DU, if I'm saying that right. Also, if you want to like share this video with your friends and family, you totally could. Also, subscribe. Yeah. Now, the keyboard has a plastic build. It does not feel cheap, like at all. KeyChron, I might buy more of your keyboard. Also, if you want to sponsor me, just go to my profile. My email is in there. Your keyboards are amazing. This is insane. I want to take off a keycap. I also don't want to break it. We're gonna Google how to take off a keycap. Okay, there we go. Okay, what? So does this thing just? I forgot why I wanted to remove it. Oh, I just want to see it in there, bro. Let's remove you. Oh, it's that easy. Let me get you up close and personal with the KeyChron V1 Max. Okay. You see that? You see that? That's what that key looks like right there. I can just take that key, I think, and just press it back in. Man, I just need to show you how nice this cable is again. Like, there's no reason a $100 keyboard should come with a very nice keyboard, a braided C-to-C cable. Who knows how fast it is? I'm gonna ignore that. All these other little additions, the keycap removers, the screws to take the whole thing apart, extra caps if you're switching OS types. Like, there's no reason why they should have all that. Okay, so I recorded a lot more. My phone stopped recording because I ran out of storage, so let me get y'all caught up. I had to install the Opera browser. My choices were Chrome, Edge, and Opera. I downloaded Opera, so I'm gonna be doing a video on Opera too, because I haven't used it in a really long time. Also, Opera, if you want to sponsor, I'm not against it. That's all I'm saying. In the KeyChron software, the web software now, and we can do a lot of stuff. So just look at this. You see that? From any key. Literally any key. Solid black. Okay, so it just has like a singular color. Let's do my colors. Go FF9900. Also, for anybody that doesn't know, that's the Consumer Logic color. This is nice orange. Dude, that's clean actually. Hold on, let me get y'all over here so you can see this better. Look at this. Oh man, that looks so good. Whoa, that's insane. Okay, first impressions of the KeyChron V1 Max are very good. I really like this keyboard. This is sick. So after this video, I'm gonna do like a week of using it, and then I can get back to you after the honeymoon phase is over, and we can see if this keyboard is really as perfect as it seems right now. I think it will be, but I'm in the honeymoon right now, so yeah. But yeah, that's all for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.